Okay, good morning, guys. We've just had 3 earthquakes off the west coast of the United States, and then we had another earthquake this morning about 20 miles from our office. So I felt it prudent to do a little earthquake video on what to do after the quake for your building. And obviously there's a spectrum of big quake, little quake. I'm not going to talk about the safety stuff, but the first thing is make sure everybody's okay. But then let's start talking about your building. So first of all, let's go over to a gas meter and check it out. So here's your typical gas meter on your apartment, on your condo, even on your house, and how to shut off the gas. So you're looking for this nut, basically. And what you want to do is turn it so that these 2 holes line up. So think about it this way. If you don't pay your gas bill, the gas company's going to turn this off and put a lock through those 2 holes, right? So that's how to turn it off. So you can grab onto that. They make special plastic wrenches that don't have any static electricity, that don't cause any spark, but hey, you know, in an emergency, use channel locks, use crescent wrench, use a Leatherman, use something to turn this thing horizontally to make those 2 holes line up. That turns off your gas. So then you'll just use your basic senses of smell, because gas has a scent in it. I think it's sulfur. It makes it smell like rotten eggs. And so if you smell that, so go around all your appliances, your furnace, your water heater, your stuff like that, and take a sniff test. So once that's done, gas is turned off, you know the gas is okay, then take a walk around your building. So what you're looking for on your building is, remember, building caving in, obviously don't walk around your building. But cracks, what we're talking about today is looking for cracks. So we're gonna go out and check the masonry right here. So we're gonna be looking for cracks in the masonry. Now, for full credit, this building didn't have an earthquake in it. But you're looking for cracks like this. You're looking for cracks in the masonry. You're looking for cracks in here, cracks there. You're just checking it out. So why are there cracks? And then are these cracks gonna be waterproofing or not? So those are some little things that you'd be looking for on the exterior building. Go up to the roof, see if there's any cracks in the roof line. Go around your sealant joints. See if there's any cracks in your glass. For these types of little cracks, put it on your maintenance plan. And no need to worry, no need to call 911, but put these on your maintenance plan, get it taken care of so you prevent water intrusion. Anything more, decks collapsing, things like that, call an expert. So, good luck.